Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's Noman Shakir here with your lesson number 4, and the topic of today's lesson is again solution of quadratic equations using completing square method part 2. We shall again solve another question using the same method we have studied in the previous lesson to elaborate and simplify more clearly this method. Here you can see the example. We have to solve the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 using completing square method, the method mentioned in the topic. First of all, what we have to do is to write the equation in standard form. That is, first it will be x square, then x, then the constant term. It is already in standard form in the given question, so we need not rearrange this one to generalize. Then we have to shift this 2 on the other side of the equation, and it will be x square plus x is equal to 2. Then what we have to do is to put this formula on the left side of the equation. It is already a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. This b square is to be added on the left side of the equation, so we have to add this on the right side of the equation. And this b square will be calculated as told in the previous lesson by dividing the coefficient of x and 2, or the second term or the term involving x, with this one. When we divide this, we get 1 over 2, and this 1 over 2 will be substituted in these 3 blanks in this way. Then wipe out the board to elaborate the question. Simple. Now here we get, now we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. This will be formed on the left side of the question of the equation, so this formula will be applied on the left side of the equation. It will be x plus 1 over 2 whole square is equal to 9 over 4, which is the solution of the right side of the equation. You can simplify this by using addition and square techniques. You will get the answer, and here for this you can watch the other videos. Now we have to take square root on both sides to eliminate the square on the left side of the equation. The square will be cancelled with the square root, and the answer is x plus 1 over 2 is equal to plus minus 3 over 2. 3 is the square root of 9 and 2 is the square root of 4. Then we will shift 1 over 2 on the right side of the equation. Here it is positive 1 over 2, on the right side it will be negative 1 over 2, and we have x is equal to plus minus 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Now again erase the board from the right side. Yeah. Now we will split this equation into 2 different equations, that is with positive 3 by 2 and then with negative 3 by 2. We have x equals positive 3 by 2 minus 1 over 2, or x equals negative 3 by 2 minus 1 over 2. And the answers are, by simplifying first equation, is x equals 1, and the simplification of second equation gives us x equals minus 2. These are the 2 solutions of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. For further information or further solutions or further inquiry, you can ask your subject teachers of just respective section, and your objections and your doubts will be cleared there and then. Thank you very much. The topic of our next lesson is quadratic formula. We shall solve again the quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. And about quadratic formula, it will be told you in the next lesson, in the next video. So till then, wait and solve the previous lessons and practice the previous assignments given to you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.